Hey guys, welcome to my garage. I was just about to throw this piece of furniture when I realized I can use it for something. So I was thinking to build some wall supports for my bicycles. I don't want anything fancy, I just want to have something quick and useful. So what I was thinking, take these shelves, which which are pretty sturdy, and use only this part, put a support from here to here, and that's about it. Quick and hopefully useful. I took some measurements back home, so I will need around 30 centimeters here, and this one actually doesn't matter, but I was thinking around 40, or maybe I just leave it like that and I don't know, hang some other stuff there. Okay, so let's see what I can make. So the plan is to put it like that. Okay? And to put here a piece of wood to support it, and to put the bike here. I think it will be strong enough. Okay guys, so I use the remaining parts from the drawers to cut this, and the idea is to glue them and screw them like this, you know, and also I want to cut a small piece to put it here, just to in order not to allow the bikes to slide. Just a precaution. Now I want to polish them a little bit and straighten this a bit, because I didn't do such a great job cutting it, and screw them here. So this is 120. I think it will be more than enough for what I need. Well, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. I did the contour, and I marked where I want the holes, and I will give one hole here, one here, same here, with the tiniest drill that I have. After that, I will glue this in place, just to stay in place. And I will screw some screws to hold it better. Now I just want to glue this here, leave it a little bit until I work on the other one. Just leave it to dry so I can make the holes from the other side. Now I will leave this to dry a little bit. It is not a powerful glue, so just leave it to dry, and after that make the holes and put in the screws. Okay, so this one is dried. So now what I want to do, make these holes and go through the wood and put some screws. But first I have to measure, not to go too far. This is good, and this one both good. So one down. Okay, so I still have to cut a little piece of wood to put it here.
just to be sure that the bike will not slide, and after that I'll be done with this. And voila, this is my invention. It's ugly, but I think it will work. I don't see why not. So I'll move to the next one, and after that I'll go and fit them to the wall and see if they can hold the bikes. So this is it. I'll go to mount them and to hang the bike just to see how they look. Yeah. So it took me around 2 hours and a half, and I wasted some time, you know, having a smoke, a vape, and so on. I think it can be done quicker. For sure, can look way better than this if you want to put the time in, you know, to really give them a nice shine, to paint them, whatever, and, you know, cut more precise. Probably it will be another half an hour or 1 hour. The bottom line is, if you have some old furniture around that is laying and you want to get rid of it and you enjoyed it, you can build something like that. Or you can go on Amazon and for like, I don't know, 30 euros you can buy one which is already made, and you can hang your clothes, you put your gloves, and of course your helmets. So it's up to you. For me it's fun. They are very ugly. Don't worry, this is not my day job, so I'm still keeping my day job, but I enjoy it. I enjoy to spend a couple of hours in the evening after work in this small garage and work with stuff. And fortunately I didn't hurt myself today. So yeah, see you next time.